Okay, I'm going to go over all the tall cabinets now. So a quick overview of this category. I do have 1, 2 and 3 heights. They are pretty much all variations of one another. Basically once you step up in the height, you get an extra shelf. Okay, now that's very handy for different height rooms and stuff like that, as I mentioned before. If I look in here, these are all the broom cabinets, different heights. As you can see, you get an extra shelf in height. This is all customizable as well, you know, but this is always a good basis to start from. Tall open cabinets, various heights, and melamine ones. Tall framed doors. So, for example, if there's a plant room, you want to cover off a boiler or whatever. It's basically a frame, it's a 100mm frame with some doors on it. Very simple. That's a left, right. That's the right, and that's the left. I haven't used these. A pull-out pantry, like the Keston Bomber kit. It is there. I haven't any hardware drillings in it, but I do have the hardware pricing in it. All right. So yeah, it's fairly good. So if I go to, what I'll do is I'll just zoom in on the center ones here and explain them left to right. Okay. So all cabinets start with all tall cabinets start with the letter T. Right, this is the 2 height of the 3 possible heights. So this is a simple one. Tall, 2 height, left door, 6 adjustable shelves. Same cabinet but a right door. Same cabinet but a split door. So tall, 2 height, a split left door. So there's two doors on it, and then 6 shelves. And there's the right version of that. This one here is that's a tall, 2 height, left door, and 2 drawers. Note the D is capital, meaning that there's actually 2 external drawers. Okay, so tall, 2 height, left door, 2 drawer, and then 4 shelves. That's the right door version of that. And here we have the same kind of cabinets, but with internal drawers. So note the name, okay? So tall, 2 height, a split left door, so there's 2 left doors. And then we're going into the lowercase, top down again, so we got 4 shelves and then 2 internal drawers. The right version of that. This is the same version as the 2 to the left, except it has a left and a right door. It's wider for the bigger drawers inside. Yep. And this one here is a tall, 2 height left, and that's it on the outside. And then on the inside we got 2 shelves, and then we have 5 internal drawers. This is the right version of it. And this one here is basically the same as these ones here, except they have a split door on the bottom. You might want that for lining up door gaps, depending on what way the design of the kitchen is. One thing to note as well, I am going to make plant-on, versions of these that actually have a plant-on gable on the hinge side, which would enable the 110-degree hinges to be used. I will also leave these in the libraries. It's good to have, but yeah, very good. So yeah, we've got the 3 height, which is the same as them, and the 1 height. There's a couple missing out of it. I basically don't have the 5 height drawers in it because it just takes up the whole cabinet. Broom height, self-explanatory. Yeah, so I don't need to go over any more. Very simple. Yeah. Okay.